Hi Capricorns, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be for you guys from August 15th to the 31st. As you all know, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you, so please take whatever resonates and leave what does not. If you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. I first look at the current situation, and basis that, I look at the outcome that you can expect in these 15 days. So one small tip that you can use to understand whether this reading is resonating or not. If the current situation is resonating with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. All right? Okay, so let's see what's going on with you currently, Capricorn. What's going on with you currently, Capricorns? Let's see. What's going on with you currently, Capricorns? King of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Chariot. So you like someone, or you're passionately attracted towards someone. Somebody who's just your type. Okay? But there is still some confusion as to taking it to the next step or to the next level. There is still some doubt around it. I'm seeing that maybe you're a little blindfolded about everything, or you are still not deciding, you're just living around what is there at this point. Okay? I see this person to be very fiery and passionate. Okay? This person is quite a lot into you, but I'm seeing that yes, there are some fears that you have probably, and maybe that's the reason why you are silent. Okay, and you're not saying anything, but I have a feeling this has a huge purpose in your life. This connection has some huge reason why it is here in your life. Okay, the High Priestess here tells me that somewhere you have to be a little open. You have to be a little, understanding in terms of things can't happen so fast. You have to let it happen in its own way, all right? Because it's not like it's a one-day thing. This is for a bigger reason. There are some really big cards here. So yeah, and then I have another major arcana, Sun. So this is a big reason why, there is a big reason why this connection is here in your life. And this is to do with the love connection is what I'm picking up, okay? I also feel that if you are silent, you will open up very soon. Or if your person is silent, okay? This person will open up very soon. All right? Because the passion is intense. I think the connection is very intense in its own. Okay? So if this resonates, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. Capricorn. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? The Hermit. 10 of Swords and 9 of Swords. Three of Pentacles. See, the confusion will persist, the silence will persist, but I think the communication between the two of you is going to be on, because there is feelings here. I have the Knight of Cups. There is feelings here, there is something that pulls the two of you together and you don't want to let it go. Obviously, because both of you want to work on it, irrespective of the other situations around it. Alright? It can be anything. Okay? I mean, there are some obstructions or problems, I would say, but still you both want to work on it. You still want to make it happen. I'm seeing a sense of feeling happy, feeling nice, feeling rejuvenated, because you both really want each other. And every time I mean, you both are like an ideal couple. So a lot of people say that the Hierophant and the High Priestess are ideal couples, but I feel the Magician and the High Priestess are ideal couples, because I think both of them represent the divine masculine and feminine energy. So I feel that both these cards here indicate that you both are like very much connected to each other energetically. Alright, so it seems like you both are not parting ways. This will be there, even though the confusions or the other things exist, but still I see this connection to be there. Okay. Let's see an advice for you here. Advice for Capricorn. Observer. One day at a time. I think both these cards are giving me that same vibe. The confusion that exists in this connection will clear off at the right time, at the right place. So you don't have to really worry too much about it. Okay? I'm seeing just observe things, let things happen on its own. Let things go on. You will understand why this happened. There might be X number of questions in your mind right now. So let it go on slowly. You will understand why it happened and what should you do. Take one day at a time when it comes to this situation. That is the ultimate way you can deal with it. Okay? Alright, Capricorn, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonated with you guys. Please leave your comments below. Also guys, I have two channels on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystal. So you can have a look. Link again in the description. Also guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye.